Welcome to LitExtension, the world-leading shopping cart migration expert. Our tool helps you migrate data from over 120 shopping carts to BigCommerce automatically, accurately, and securely. With more than 10 years in the market, LitExtension is proud to be the #1 expert in shopping cart migration. We have helped more than 50,000 merchants upgrade their stores and perform nearly 200,000 migration projects. You can see our customer review on multiple channels such as Trustpilot, Capterra, G2, or SearchEngine. With LitExtension, you will experience the most pleasant shopping cart migration process with our state-of-the-art migration system. With no technical skill required and a dedicated support team right at your fingertips. We also ensure 100% uptime for your store during the re-platforming process, which means no sales lost. Besides, we provide 3 months of free and unlimited recent migrations, remigrations, and smart update to ensure your new store goes live with no data left behind. Last but not least, to prove confidence in our services and their value to you, LitExtension offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. In this video, we're going to show you how to migrate from WooCommerce to BigCommerce as an example. Let's start. First, what you need to do is set up your source store and target store. Right here, select WooCommerce as source cart type. Here is a tutorial video to help you set up LitExtension connector in a few minutes. To finish, you need to provide the source store URL into the blank bar. Once you're done, a notification will appear on the screen. Now, let's move on to target cart setup. Choose BigCommerce as target cart type. You will need to provide your store URL, API path, access token, and client ID. Please watch our video tutorial or follow the wizard appearing on the right of the screen. Now, click Next and proceed to the next step of the migration process. At this step, you need to select the entities you want to migrate. LitExtension also provides powerful additional options here to extend your migration possibilities. You can easily map your language and order status in this section so that they will be displayed correspondingly on your target store. After you finish, you can click Start Free Demo Migration, or you can click on Skip Demo Migration button to perform full migration immediately. While the data is being transferred, it's completely safe to close browser window or shut down your PC. You will receive an email from LitExtension system when the process is complete. Once the migration is done, click on the Check Result button to see if everything has been transferred correctly. In case of any matters, please contact LitExtension technical support team to get them resolved as soon as possible. That's how easy it is to perform successful BigCommerce migration with LitExtension. So, why wait any further? Run free demo migration now!